Hi, good day and welcome back to Brooklyn Cooking. Top of the morning. Today we're going to do a full English breakfast, which includes sausages, tomatoes, beans, everything. We'll talk about them as we go. First thing we have is some good Irish bangers. These are fully cooked. We're going to start these. They're thick, so we're going to start those a little first. And then instead of regular bacon, they use uncured back bacon, which is basically a very thin sliced pork chop, in my opinion. As we're cooking here, we'll get some of the other stuff started. Always use a little butter. And we're going to grill some tomatoes. Just put them face down. And we move these over a little bit to the cooler side. We'll start up a little mushroom. Give it a drop of oil. A little salt and pepper. This is the new grill I bought. I don't know, some of you might have saw it on TikTok or whatever. Quick turn. These are fully cooked. Just a matter of heating them through. Get some back bacon on. Come on, you could do it. Mushrooms are looking good. Hope I don't burn them. Now, if that's not enough, we got to get some baked beans in here. Now, if you're going to be at there, you got to use Heinz. I don't know about vegetarian, but Heinz is the way to go for this. Why? I guess it's an English thing. Oh, supposed to have blood sausage. What happened to it? Wait a minute. Here it is. This is some blood sausage. Cut a little piece. Also known as black pudding. Put these on. We don't have enough food yet. Now we got to get the star of the show. We got to get the eggs going before everything else burns. Now the proper way, they say, with the eggs is sunny side up, which is the way I like them. Hit them with a little salt and pepper. Now, this is the way I like them. I like runny yolks and, oh man, it's hot. I like runny yolks and hard whites, crispy whites. So what I like to do is fan out the yolk, fan out the whites, I mean. And we go to Munster cheese today. I think that's the most English cheese I can find that I have in my house. I'm gonna get a plate and start plating some of this stuff up. Oh, that looks good. Getting to be a mess now. The eggs was good enough for me. Now it also requires toast, but they say you're not allowed to toast it. You gotta toast it in the fat, even though it didn't generate all that much fat. Thing I like about this is I could just got a little hole over and it goes into a nice little container. So the mess, even at the end, clean it up, nice and easy. I think we're about done here. Need a little bigger boat, so the bread's gonna go on here with the sausage. And I guess that's a wrap. A little messy, but messy is good. Throw a little butter on the bread. Can never hurt. Get that out of there. Let's see if my eggs are like I want them. See if we got a runny yolk. A little too well done for me, but they're very good. And I always like to make, the Italian in me comes out. I like to make sandwiches with everything. I don't know if this is a violation. Put a little bacon in here. Little mushrooms can't hurt. Try some beans. Beans are good. A little tomato. Hey, we got the banger here. I never buy bangers, very rarely, but they're really very good. And then the blood sausage or black pudding. And that's very good. Good ingredients, can't go wrong. All right, we're gonna wrap it up. You guys don't want to see me stuff my face anymore. I'll finish eating off camera. And arrivederci from Brooklyn Cooking.